take off and replace a trailer tire. Someone slashed my tire. Now I have to go fix it. I got you. Bro, what do I need to do this? I need a jack. You'll take me to the step-by-step. Okay, first of all, you're going to slide your jack under the axle. You stop pumping it. That's correct. I stop pumping. Bro, I hit the axle. What do I do now? Pumping till it's at least this much off the ground. Go home. Is that good enough? It's fine. Do the next step already. Okay, bro. Chill. What do I do now? You're so dumb. Just take off the wheel already. Yo, do I use this mask? No, bro. This is a crowbar. What are you thinking? I use this, right? No, this is gonna wreck the tire. What are you thinking? So I use this. Yeah, you finally got it. Yo, I finally found it. How do I use it? I'm gonna attach this and the socket wrench together. And then put a block right here so it doesn't spin. Take off. Go get yourself a new tire. Bro, I got a new tire, bro. Let's go. Let's put it on. No. And now I'm gonna put it on. Let them load, bro. Now I'm gonna put on the bolts. I gotta torque them up. Now let's put on the floor so we can tighten it even more. I'm gonna lower it. Ooh. Now that is how you change a tire.